The next thing I want to show you here is this Explore tab, which is where you can learn more about not only crypto assets, but dApps, which are decentralized applications, as well as NFTs. Now, I will say, it seems like NFTs in general have been a bit of a fad or a trend. I don't personally own these, and you can see, for example, like the Bored Apes Yacht Club is down 26.2%. I'm not sure what timeline they're looking at here. If I click into it, it might give me more details on that. But I would say that NFTs, at least for the time being, haven't been widely accepted by the market. I'm sure some people would disagree with me, but that's just my opinion. I wouldn't personally recommend investing in those. And as far as the decentralized apps, this is similar to altcoins. There might be more of a legitimate use case behind some of these, because these are basically applications that run on top of a blockchain network. Again, these can be very speculative, and the cryptos associated with these dApps are susceptible to those same boom and bust cycles and all of the same risk factors of altcoins. This Explore tab is really a research environment for cryptocurrencies. A lot of these that they're showing up here are going to be altcoins that you can't directly buy through the exchange. Instead, you would have to use something like PancakeSwap and then swap over into these assets. And that's going to involve more fees as you have more steps and different types of crypto you have to use essentially as an intermediary. We're not going to cover that in this video, largely because I don't recommend investing in altcoins, but that is just to be aware of. And if you scroll down here, you can see all sorts of different crypto assets. So if you wanted to research cryptos and keep track of prices, you can do that through the Explore tab here.